Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how to turn off FaceTime on iPhone. So for that all we have to do is to go in settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose this last section apps. After that, of course, find FaceTime in the list. You can just scroll through the list or just tap on search bar and manually input FaceTime. And now if you want to turn that off, then you need to toggle off the switch near FaceTime so it will become white and those additional settings will disappear. Now you won't be able to make FaceTime calls and no one will be able to call you. So let's try to call that person. And as you can see, those people are now not available in FaceTime. So it simply does not work. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.